Alright, look what time it is. It's time to bench press. 135. Go on one plate. Check out this guy. See what I did with this? This is just some random snack holder or something. I bought some chalk here. Just fill up the sucker with chalk. So you can easily just put my hands in like this. And they come out all chalky. How great's that? Right, I'm going to mount my phone somewhere and see if I can record this set. Just to see how smooth it is. Sweet. So that's pretty good. I'll do 3 more sets of that. Just want to mention that I always, with bench press, do pause reps because it does keep me more consistent. There's no bouncing off the chest. You can't really fake reps or cheat reps when you're being consistent with pausing at the bottom of every rep. That's one reason. And then the second reason is because I'm training kind of in a powerlifter direction. I want to try to compete in a powerlifting meet if there's one around here, maybe next year or something. I want to get used to doing the pause on the chest, but it does keep me consistent for every rep throughout. So it's much smoother progression. I'm not really cheating myself. I know when I can stop, and I do have the run stuff in case I do have to dump the load. So today is a really quick session. As it is my 6-month anniversary and Chrissy and I are going out for dinner tonight. So after doing bench, just doing some pull accessories. So doing some kind of like bend over rows, and I'm just going to superset that with some chin-ups, and then I'll probably do some face pulls as well. So I'll show you that real quick. I'll do 2 more sets of that.